Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. In today's video, we are diving into the world of homecoming short prom dresses. Homecoming is a special event that allows you to showcase your unique style while celebrating with friends. Whether you're looking for something elegant, trendy, or playful, there is a short prom dress out there for everyone. Let's explore the different styles, how to accessorize them, and some on how to find the perfect dress for your homecoming event. Short prom dresses have become increasingly popular for homecoming due to their versatility and comfort. Unlike long gowns, short dresses offer more freedom of movement, making them perfect for dancing and socializing. They also allow you to show off your legs and can be styled to suit various themes and personal tastes. A-line dresses are a timeless choice for homecoming. They featured a fitted bodice and a flared skirt, creating a flattering silhouette for all body types. Choose a dress in a solid color like black, navy, or red for a classic look. Add a pair of strappy heels and delicate jewelry to complete the outfit. Lace short prom dresses exude elegance and sophistication. Look for dresses and sophistication with intricate lace detailing on the bodice or skirt. Nude or pastel shades work beautifully with lace, adding a touch of romance to your look. Pair with simple accessories and a clutch to let the lace stand out. Fit and flare dresses are another elegant option. These dresses hug the body at the top and flare out at the waist, creating a fun and flirty silhouette. Choose a dress with embellishments like sequins or beads to add some sparkle. Complement the look with statement earrings and high heels. Off-the-shoulder dresses are perfect for showcasing your shoulders and collarbones. This style is both trendy and flattering, making it a great choice for homecoming. Look for dresses with ruffled or embellished off-the-shoulder sleeves. Pair with a choker necklace and ankle strap heels for a chic look. Two-piece prom dresses are a modern and stylish option. They typically feature a crop top and a skirt, allowing you to mix and match different styles and colors. Choose a sequined or beaded top paired with a high-waisted skirt for a glamorous look. Add a bold lip color and metallic heels to finish the outfit. High-low hem dresses offer the best of both worlds with a shorter front and a longer back. This style is perfect for those who want the elegance of a long dress with the ease of a short one. Opt for a dress in a vibrant color or bold print. Pair with statement heels and a sleek hairstyle for a fashion-forward look. Skater dresses are a playful and youthful option for homecoming. They feature a fitted bodice and a flared skirt, similar to A-line dresses but often more casual. Look for dresses in fun prints or with playful details like bows or ruffles. Pair with ballet flats or wedges for a comfortable yet stylish outfit. Toeless short prom dresses are perfect for those who want to feel like a princess. The lightweight, voluminous fabric adds a whimsical touch to any dress. Choose a dress with a toeless skirt and a fitted bodice adorned with sparkle or embroidery. Pair with delicate jewelry and simple heels to let the dress shine. Floral prints are always in style and they are perfect for spring or summer homecoming event. Look for dresses with bold, colorful floral patterns. Pair with nude or pastel accessories and a flower crown for a bohemian inspired look. The right pair of shoes can elevate your entire look. For elegant dresses, opt for strappy heels or classic pumps. For more playful styles, consider ballet flats, wedges, or ankle boots. Make sure your shoes are comfortable enough for dancing and walking. Most importantly, choose a dress that makes you feel confident and beautiful. Thank you for joining us today on Luna Fashion and Beauty. We hope this video has inspired you to find the perfect short prom dress for your homecoming. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fashion tips and outfit ideas.